think it dances around like this. Just kidding.
What do you think it does?
I don't know. Maybe
Make a
maybe
guess.
it makes light,
Makes light?
or maybe it's a speaker.
Oh, okay. Good guess.
What is it?
Hi everyone! So today we're gonna unbox this. This is the Deco Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi Unit. It says fast, stable, everywhere. So EJ, tell us more about this. What is this for?
So this is, the model is first of all the Deco M5. Okay, it's made by TP-Link, and the Deco thing is like their branding for the whole thing. They have an app that allows you to control the mesh network. And how it works is that essentially you have more than one of these devices, and you can think of it as sort of like a router. So the main one is connected to your modem, no, or whatever you get from your your provider. In our case, we got this from Globe, no. So you connect this to Globe, and then you install the other similar units in other rooms where the signal is not as strong. So how it works is that they sort of like feed off of each other.
Got it.
And kaya sinasabi na it's a Wi-Fi dead zone killer. So basically, you can place a unit like this where there's, you know, where there's weak Wi-Fi.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so once you've opened it, it comes with this disc.
That's the actual Deco.
Okay, that's a Deco.
It also comes with a LAN cable, which is nice and flat.
Oh yeah.
So the nice thing about cables like this is that they don't get twisted.
Oh yeah,
They don't
you're
get
right.
buhol,
Okay.
basically. And this
What is
one,
that?
power.
Okay.
Also flat.
Also flat.
And a quick installation guide in many languages, but basically it says is download the app.
Okay.
Okay. And it's
Wow.
That's it. Yeah, so it's now plugged in. Let's say the M5. This one.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's why you need to know
Yeah.
the model.
Power off your modem, remove the backup battery. Next, so plug in the device. Yes, it's plugged in. Modem. Okay. Let's check. Power on Deco and wait until the LED pulses blue. Let me check.
Pulsing blue, pulsing blue.
So yes, it's pulsing blue. Okay. Found it. See that?
Yeah.
So in our case, we placed it in the hallway. There we go, and that will just write the network name here. So we just set up the Wi-Fi name and password.
Yeah.
Now it's setting up the network. It's now connecting to TXT.
Ah, okay. Oh, it's now online.
Okay, that's it. So now what we'll do is we'll add another deck.
Yes, please.
Put it in the room.
Yes.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me.
It's the bedroom. So EJ is installing the second TP lane. Deco, which will be connected to our globe at home. Okay,
Okay.
so now, what do we do?
What's that?
Add another, it's an app. This is the Deco app.
Select the layout that looks like your home. Okay. Deco now is pulsing blue.
Okay, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it is pulsing blue. Okay.
Oh, it is.
It is a pulsing
It is a pulsing blue.
It is a pulsing blue. It is a pulsing blue.
Zeeka, you have to explain what's happening to them.
So right now, it is lighting blue.
Okay. And now,
And
it
now-
is connecting.
Connecting.
Trying to connect.
Trying to connect.
Looking for Deco.
Looking for Deco. What is Deco?
That one. You just explained it.
Then
Just
why is
explain
it already lighting blue?
it up in there.
It is
It's in the bedroom. In the bedroom. Is this a bedroom?
Yep. Cause look,
Complete.
there's a bed.
That's it.
What? What?
What?
Zeeka will test the internet connection in the... Not that. Internet connection in the room. Because before it used to be sucky.
How will
right?
we?
Let's look at the signal. Is it like stronger? Is the signal stronger?
Yep.
Can you see? Can you see? Don't
It's
cover
super
it.
strong.
Whoa! It's super strong. Kanina it was just one, right?
Yep.
Whoa. So do you think it works?
iMovie.
Do you think it works?
Yes.
Yeah.